I'm Nolan. I am a civil engineer in transportation for the southeast region of the DOT. Currently, I am out on the State Highway 60 project here in Jackson. Right now, we are doing a mill and fill project for the roadway, as well as the addition of a roundabout at the intersection of State Highway 60 and Eagle Drive. I got an internship this past summer working on the construction side of things. I really enjoyed the kind of construction side of being able to see everything get built, be outside and enjoy life outside of the office a little bit. Working this summer, it felt less of like a business and more of like a learning community. Everyone was willing to help me, everyone was willing to teach me. I really enjoyed that, and I felt like it would be a great way to spend the rest of my career. I have been given the chance to go see different job sites, get to experience different things, and I think that's very valuable to give you an idea of what it is you want to do with your future.
Go ahead and hold up right there for a second.
And if you figure out there's something you like, DOT is open to giving you a chance to work in that field.